Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Lockport is a small community in the rural municipality of St. Andrews, located just north of Winnipeg along the Red River. With a population of only a few hundred people, it has a quiet, close-knit feel, but it is well known across the region for its history and its role as a gathering place. Its location along the river has shaped both its development and its identity, making it an important stop in the Red River Valley. The history of Lockport is closely tied to the Red River itself, which has been a major route for transportation and trade for centuries. Long before European settlement, Indigenous peoples used this river as part of a network of travel and commerce. In the early 19th century, the arrival of settlers and the growth of the fur trade brought increased activity to the area, linking it to the expanding communities along the river. One of the defining features of Lockport is the St. Andrews Lock and Dam. Completed in 1910, this structure was built to control water levels on the Red River and to allow boats to navigate past the natural rapids that once existed here. The lock system made it easier for vessels to move along the river, supporting transportation and trade in the early 20th century. Today, it remains both a functional piece of infrastructure and a historic landmark. Before the construction of the lock and dam, this location was known for its rapids, which made it a natural gathering point. The rapids attracted large numbers of fish, particularly during spawning seasons, and this made the area important for fishing. Even today, Lockport is widely recognized as one of the best fishing spots in southern Manitoba, especially for channel catfish. Anglers come from across the province to fish along the riverbanks and near the dam. Lockport also holds historical significance for Indigenous communities. The river crossing at this location was used for generations as a meeting and fishing place. Archaeological evidence shows that people have lived and gathered here for thousands of years, long before the arrival of European settlers. This deep history adds another layer to the importance of the area, connecting modern-day Lockport to a much longer human story. In the 20th century, Lockport developed as a small service and recreational area. While it never grew into a large town, it became known for its restaurants, local businesses, and scenic river views. The combination of history, fishing, and easy access from Winnipeg made it a popular destination for day trips. This role continues today, with visitors coming to enjoy the riverfront and the relaxed atmosphere. The surrounding municipality of St. Andrews provides the broader context for Lockport. This rural area includes farmland, residential communities, and several historic sites along the Red River. With a population of just over 12,000 people, St. Andrews balances rural living with proximity to the city. Lockport fits into this setting as a small but well-known focal point along the river. Seasonal changes are an important part of life in Lockport. In the summer, the riverbanks are active with fishing, walking, and outdoor gatherings. Autumn brings cooler weather and changing colors, while winter transforms the river into a frozen landscape. Ice fishing becomes a common activity, continuing the long tradition of using the river as a source of food and recreation. Spring, with its potential for flooding, is a reminder of the river's power and its ongoing influence on the community. Today, Lockport remains a place where history and everyday life come together. The lock and dam still operate, the river continues to draw visitors, and the surrounding community maintains its steady pace. While it is small in size, Lockport has a strong identity shaped by its location, its history, and its connection to the Red River. Lockport and the surrounding region offer a clear example of how geography, history, and community are connected in Manitoba. From ancient gathering places to modern recreational areas, this small community reflects the ongoing importance of the Red River in shaping life in the province. Thanks for watching!